Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel mr.scinex. So as you already seen the thumbnail and the title, yes, we are going to make the litmus paper at home very easily. But those litmus papers are not true litmus papers. So obviously we are not making the real litmus papers. These are just you can call them as pseudo litmus papers. They are basically natural indicators, right? So just to show how litmus papers are work, I am making this an example. So let's make the litmus paper at home very easily. So let's begin. So first of all we need a basic solution. You can see here is the basic solution and the acidic solution. Here is it. So these are the two main solutions. So we are taking the turmeric as number one, our example one natural indicator or litmus paper, and number two gonna take China rose as a second example. So how gonna we make I am going to show you. So first of all you have to take these papers paper cutouts, and now I am going to show you how to make the turmeric natural indicator litmus paper. So here is the haldi, you can see, and the paper cutout. So you have to take paper cutout like this and put haldi like in this way and some drop of water and like this. So in that same we are going to make the second example with this China rose and this paper. So our both litmus papers are ready. This is an example 1 turmeric natural indicator litmus paper, example 2 China rose natural indicator litmus paper. So yes, our litmus papers are ready. Here it is. So number 1 is this. So firstly I will gonna dip this litmus paper turmeric natural indicator litmus paper in this acidic solution, and the reason behind this I will gonna tell you later. So let's see what happens. Nothing changes. So इसका मतलब क्या, ये work नहीं किया? Does this didn't work? No, it works. I will gonna show you when it's gonna dip into the basic solution. This is the basic solution, and just wait and watch. So you can see that it turns red, right? So yes, definitely our litmus paper works. So इधर था हमारा acidic, इधर था basic color changes, acidic color didn't change. Why? The reason is, so what is the reason why the turmeric litmus paper didn't change the color in acidic but change the color in basic? So this is the litmus paper. So the turmeric is mainly made up of curcumin. Yes, curcumin is acidic form. So acidic form होने के कारण इसका कलर येलो होता है, और because curcumin acidic form है और मतलब टर्मरिक के अंदर प्रेजेंट रहता है, इसलिए जब टर्मरिक के लिटमस पेपर को हमने एसिडिक सोल्यूशन में डिप किया, कलर चेंज नहीं किया, बिकॉज कर्क्यूमिन इज प्रेजेंट एंड कर्क्यूमिन इज एन एसिडिक फॉर्म. बट when the litmus paper, same litmus paper, dip into basic solution, it changes the color because it get deprotonate. Yes, deprotonate होने के कलर रेड हो जाता है, रेड शो करता है, या फिर ब्राउन या फिर ब्लड रेड, जो भी बोलो, है ना. सो द मेन रीजन इज द deprotonation और the presence of curcumin. So did you understand the reason? मतलब क्यों कलर एसिडिक में चेंज नहीं हुआ बट बेसिक में चेंज हुआ? I think you understand the how litmus paper is work. So as I said, the litmus paper I made today is not the exact litmus paper but a pseudo litmus paper. They are basically a natural indicator. So now let's check the second litmus paper, how it works and how the color it takes when deep into acidic and when deep into base. So here is the acidic solution, here is your second example litmus paper. Let's see which color it takes. Turns red. We can see it turns red when deep into acidic. So now the basic solution, let's see which color it takes. You can see, I don't know in camera how it gonna tell, but it is green. Yes, सो रेड एसिडिक, ग्रीन बेसिक। सो मैं आपको सेम वे में रीजन बताने वाला हूँ व्हाई दिस लिटमस पेपर चेंजेस कलर रेड इनटू एसिडिक एंड ग्रीन टू बेसिक। सो दिस चाइना रोज, the leaflets of China rose or hibiscus contain a molecule called anthocyanin. Yes, anthocyanin is pH sensitive molecule. This molecular structure changes this shape when the concentration is high. Like अगर एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन के अंदर H प्लस कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा रहता है एंड बेसिक के अंदर OH नेगेटिव आयन ज़्यादा रहता है, इसलिए ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर चेंज करते रहते हैं। सो एंथोसायनिन जब यानी कि हिबिस्कस जो लिटमस पेपर जब डीप इनटू एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन इट फॉर्म क्लोज रिंग, एक क्लोज रिंग शेप फॉर्म करता है जिसकी वजह से कलर चेंज होता है। एक और ज्यादा गहराई के अंदर एक रीजन है, उतने डिटेल्स में मैं नहीं जाने वाला, बट मेनली इज द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस and OH negative. In the same way, when deep into basic solution, which get deprotonate like same way the curcumin works. Deprotonation, so same way the anthocyanin जब जाता है तब वहाँ पे तो OH आयन ज़्यादा प्रेजेंट रहेगा, सो वहाँ पे फिर से होगा डिप्रोटोनेशन एंड डिप्रोटोनेशन के कारण ही सेम वजह से जैसे वहाँ पे हुआ तो यहाँ पे भी डिप्रोटोनेशन होने के कारण कलर चेंज हो जाएगा। So hope that you understand both the reasons why color changes, why color changes. So here is the two litmus papers. You can say turmeric litmus paper and the China rose or hibiscus litmus papers. ठीक है ना? So reason देख लिया, समझ में आएगा। So आशा करता हूँ वीडियो को पसंद आया, अगर पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो मेरे चैनल को। मिलता हूँ मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।